Block coloring is a unique way to color with the free Paintology app from the Google Play Store. We use the color picker to select exact colors of an image that we load into the drawing canvas of Paintology. This allows you to draw more rapidly since you do not have to think about the colors. The size of the blocks that you do will determine the overall resolution of the drawing. In this video guide, we are going to show you how to do block coloring in trace mode. From the home screen, press the Draw button, then press Trace Drawing button. This will open up a screen to select images from your local folders on your phone or tablet. I have selected this image of a flower from my phone and loaded it onto my drawing canvas. We are going to use the color picker to get exact colors of the trace image to our drawing. First, place the trace cursor above the halfway mark as shown. To use the color picker, you need to press this color picker button and then move the finger or stylus to the color of the image that you want to pick. Keep the stylus or your finger down onto the color and the color picker picks out the color automatically. You can select another color by checking the color picker again and doing the same, as shown. For more information on the color picker, please check out the video guide on using the color picker. You will see how block coloring makes drawing much more fun and satisfying, at the same time improving your coloring and drawing skills. These are all important for acquiring the skills of becoming a good artist. If you want to learn and read more about block coloring, please visit the blog page on the Paintology website. The link for this article can be found in the description. For more information on this and more, please check out the other video guides provided on the Paintology app. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps us greatly to improve the Paintology app, the only digital drawing app close to the real thing.